Okay guys, today I'm gonna be racing and beating all these moves. And my goal is just to ow. That's kind of my goal is just to win 5. Uh-oh. How the heck do you get past these things? I'm sure it's I'm going up. Why do I always inspire these things? What the heck? Like, there's no way up these ledges. Dude, look at that simple you got. It's just easy. This is actually just here. Okay, now. Seconds. Life hurts. Life hurts, but that's how it goes. Okay, let's go. We're racing it. That's 0 out of 5 times. Bye, you B-Bags. Whee! Now, what the heck is it? This 4 trucks with giant natural mushrooms. Another bee. Bees are disgusting. What's your name? Are you kidding me? I'm 8. I'm on my way. You are there. What the freak? Why do I always become gravity? Whenever I die. Okay, I still have to win 5 minutes. I know we are near. This video has already been 3 minutes long. I don't know, it's probably like 3 minutes. Oh no, go. I'll go down. No, good job, actually. Come on. I'm tired of people just using nitro. God. Come on, get in here. Are you kidding me? Bye, have a good time. Yes! I definitely come first, second, or third 5 times. That's right. I still have to go 4 times. Hey, this match is 4 minutes and I won once. I should have done that first minute. Who the heck is named Sherwin? I have no clue and I don't want to know. But I think this does count. So I think I'm looking the lowest third in this game. Oh, no, it is first actually. Ow. No, go. This one's actually faster. Oh, you can't. What? Yes, 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 yes! This will be the comeback of the century. Yes! I won you. You're such a big back. Okay, I have a couple more races to go. Wait, that's the second race since I've won. I need 3 more. Next 5 minutes. What the heck is name? I'm old. Bye. Bye. Have a good time. I hope that you big ass get shorter. I thought you see it first. Here's somebody stealing. Hey, bye. Have a good time, suckers. That's the 3rd time. Wait, that was 2 back to. Wait, that was 3 back to backs. Okay, I want to see if I can get 5 back to backs. $300. Let's go. I'm gonna buy a cool car. Actually, I'm gonna have to upgrade it. So I'll show you that. I'll show you in the next video. Bye. Let's join me off with this. Are you kidding me, bro? Are you kidding me? No, Come on, just do it. Back to back. Are you kidding me? Just need 1 more back to back. Wait, I'm actually so good at this game. I love this game. Sorry, I had to lose that. Okay. Barrel F22. I think it's called Barrel F22. So, I'll show you. Wait. What the heck is it alerting me about? And by the way, I'm gonna get a battle pass. I'm gonna get a battle pass in 28 days. I'm gonna get the battle pass. I'll show you guys. I'm home for Christmas. I actually learned something. Guys, if you guys want me to add you for Christmas, if you guys want me to add you for Christmas as a Christmas gift, I will. But anyway. Bye, dude. These guys are just real things. Like, I'm not even lying. Okay, I'm trying to just go stop that. Hey, yo, bro, stay the fuck away from me. Go. There you go. Look, this is your win streak. Hold up. What the? Second time. I need to give me another chance. That's what you missed. You almost. Okay, there's a 3 back to back. I get 3. I get 2 more chances. If I win these ones. Yo, what the kitchen knife? No. How fast is that? Okay, guys, he did give me the extra life, so that gives me 5 back-to-backs with only 10 minutes, 22 seconds. And get done. Dude, that video was swimming. Okay. My prize for doing this, for winning. $15,000 and go back on a skag thing. Oh, it does all. E does all. Oh, yeah, yes. I don't know why this is still growing. Dodge. Okay, come on. Guys, that's a fun wrap up for the video. If you want to watch more like this, hit the like and subscribe button.